Hi, my name is Adam. I'm from RealEye, and I would like to show you the latest update, RealEye 7.3, with ability to finish a test with a keystroke. So if you're familiar with our platform, then you should know that there's an ability to finish displaying any stimuli, or actually only images as a stimuli, when you click an image or selected area of the image. So right now, with the version 7.3, we also add the ability to finish displaying stimuli with a keystroke. So this feature is really great for making some implicit tests, like implicit reaction test, ERT, EAT, and so on. It requires probably providing some instructions to the participants so they are aware what they should do during the test. But you can simply use this option here, optional intro message, to create according instruction. I have created an instruction in the previous study, so I'm just going to copy it and paste it. What I'd like to show you is how to create a study which enables this new feature. So the instruction says press the letter A left or the letter L right to choose the product you associate with the adjective. That's the sample instruction. I'm going to disable the separator, and I'm going to show items in random order. Images, eye tracking, name. Next step is, as usual, ability to add items. I'm going to create an images-based study for the demo purposes, but you can also use this feature on a video-based study. So it means that whenever someone clicks any key on the keyboard, then the video, which is playing at the moment, is going to stop, and the test will move on to the next item, to the next video. So the same happens with the images. Let me show you how to enable this option. So there it is, finish on a keystroke. So as usual, you can rearrange the items as you wish. You can also select the finish and click. And it means that and I will turn on the finish on the keystroke for this item. So it means that displaying this item will finish either after 20 seconds or if a participant clicks the area which I've selected, or if the participant hits any key on the keyboard. So in this case, I will disable the finish on click, and I'm going to turn on the keystroke for each of the items. Okay, so it seems like the study is ready. I'll attach 5 on participants, 0 RealEye participants, and there it is. So this is the dashboard. If you already used RealEye, then you're familiar with. This is the test link that you should copy and send out to your own participants. The test instructions look exactly the same. I've run it in that special debug mode, which will allow me to kind of skip the calibration just by moving on the center location. There's the instruction, press the letter A left or the letter L right to choose the product you associate with the adjective. So what I have to do now, I'm putting my fingers on the keyboard and start. So friendship party. The reaction times were stored, and we can see the results on the dashboard. So let's go to the dashboard of the study and see how it looks. So this is it. That's the study flow. So we can see that the order of displaying elements was like this: friendship party and so on. And I pressed letter A after 2,797 milliseconds and moved forward to the party. Then I pressed letter A after 800 milliseconds, 900 milliseconds, 674 milliseconds, and the test finished. So I've also prepared a very similar study before and I gathered some more results. So because I would like to show you how the analysis looks like. So this is the first way to do the analysis. more like a qualitative way, participant after participant. But also, when you click the keyboard, the letter, you have aggregated statistics for this item. So for cheap, the participant clicked letter A, and we can see that total participants who pressed any key after meanwhile viewing this item was 4. The average time to key press was 535 milliseconds. KA was pressed in average within 547 milliseconds, and 3 people pressed it, and 1 person pressed key L after average time 498 milliseconds. The same kind of statistics are available here. So for each of the items, each of the elements, you can click see details, and you will see the statistics. So at this this particular example, only letter A was pressed by 4 participants. So as mentioned, it doesn't matter which letters are being pressed. You can, like, if participant clicks, I know, arrows, left, right, or I don't know, any kind of numbers, RealEye is going to store the key press anyway and display the element here, and it's going to aggregate by the same buttons, by the same keys. So it's important to prepare well-written instructions before running AI tests and similar. So I hope I explained it well. So from our perspective, it seems like it's opening the entire new layer of gathering the data, because since this moment, you researchers can actually store reaction times with the eye tracking data. So you can see, for instance, how much time participants needed to leave their first fixation at the selected area, and what was the reaction time for actually choosing the element, the product. So hopefully you're going to have some nice use cases on it. And as usual, we'll be happy to answer questions and provide more information. So have a nice day. Bye-bye.